I'm so excited to announce to you that I have successfully created the Pigversity pig farming course from confused to confident and profitable pig farmer. And what makes the course so different is that it is a clear step-by-step structure. So you know exactly what to do and at what point. It is also practical from someone like myself who has lived every lesson I have shared with you in this course. And I've included the medicine guide, what type of medicine to have on your farm and how to even use them. I've also included the record keeping book with ready to use formulas to measure your farm's performance. You put in the figures, it adjusts the results for you to see how your farm is doing. And there is also an exclusive WhatsApp community where you can ask direct questions and I answer you directly from there. There are veterinarians also on a standby who will help you with your farm and animal health. If you have been following me for a while, you could see that I am located in a more remote area. I mean a village, but I'm able to sell pigs higher than people who are even in the cities. How do I do this? I have shared that with you in the marketing aspect of this course, and it is just a one-time payment for you to have a full lifetime access to it and rewatch it anytime to refresh your mind about pig farming. But note that this course is not for everyone. It is only for those who are serious about learning and who truly believe that they need help to help run their pig farms. So if this is you, this course will help you to do that. And the course is just available for the first 20 people at 50% the original price. So just take this opportunity before it goes up. You can farm the whole year, and at the end of it, you get your money exactly what you put into the farming. No profits, no loss. And in the worst case, you make a loss. But I'll teach you how to make profit from your pig farming activities once you get started. So I'll see you in class.